one of these things is not like the other. Oh, fucking lovely. So that is supposed to be up there. Kind of like that side is over there. Not what I wanted to be doing today. Alright, so we got her back up, held into place with a couple doodad and ratchets and whatnots, and I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna clean up a little bit up here so I can tack it and hold it and grind all that out. Well, not a majority of that out. Re-weld it, and then might even do a little gusset in here because gussets are cool. Well, it's sitting back up there. We got most of it ground out. Ground some, welded some, so it doesn't move. It'll look better when I'm done, I promise. So, got this side done. Took a video of this one with me hitting the brakes and the other side that wasn't broke with me hitting the brakes, and they both moved the same amount. So we're just gonna get her greased up, wheels back on it, and let it ride. Till next time.